Is there a way to avoid the V01020015 update on your Dji Fpv drone? Remember, the one that's going to prevent you from installing any drone X if you're already on the V01020020? The answer is yes. I'm going to show you two circumstances when it's possible. So the first case is your Dji Fpv drone is already activated and you've just connected your goggles to your phone and opened the Dji Fly app. You will be asked to install the version we are talking about, otherwise your drone will not be able to take off anymore. So the workaround is don't press the update button at all. Kill the internet connection on your phone. Put it in airplane mode. Open the Dji Fly app, go to the profile or account, go to settings, empty the cache, clear all cache data from settings, kill and reopen the app while still on airplane mode and connect your goggles. The second case is you have a second viewer and you want him to enjoy your flight from your phone without connecting it to the Dji Fly app. Here is what you need to do. Download the Dji View app from your store. Install the app. Now the second viewer can enjoy your flight. The latency is good enough for the second viewer to enjoy it, and it's not worse than viewing the footage on the DJI smart controller. But don't you dare give in the goggles to the second viewer and try to pilot your quad from your phone. You will crash it. Cheers!